Okay, now that we're in our thinking chair, let's think. You will help, right? You will? Great. So, we're trying to figure out what's going to make Ben feel better for getting a cold. And our clues are a spoon, chicken, and noodles. Hmm. So, I wonder what's going to make Ben feel better for getting a really, really bad cold with a spoon, chicken, and noodles. Hmm. Maybe, maybe something warm will make Ben feel better for getting a cold. But what could, but what warm food could help Ben feel better? Hmm. Oh, what, what if we put the chicken and the noodles was together in a bowl? Yeah, but what about the spoon? Hmm. Well, we can mix the chicken and noodles together with a spoon, and that will make something, and that will make some kind of soup. Yeah, but what kind of soup will make Ben feel better? Chicken noodle soup. That's it. And chicken noodle soup will make Ben feel better for getting a bad cold. Whoa. Should we make chicken noodle soup for Ben? We just figured out Blue's clues. Okay, Blue, let's go to the kitchen and make chicken noodle soup for Ben so he doesn't get a cold.